Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Wi-Fi on your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer and you want to start doing the smart control compatibility functions via your phone. How do you actually go ahead and turn on Wi-Fi pairing mode on your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, you're going to go ahead and make sure that your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer is plugged in. Next, go ahead and power it on, and once the display is turned on, you're going to go ahead and press the up and down arrow of where it has the timer side. So this is the timer side, that's the temperature side. So go ahead and hold both of those up and down arrows down. And as you can see, there's going to be a Wi-Fi icon that starts to blink. So that means that Wi-Fi mode has been enabled and it's going to start searching for any nearby devices. So it's going to go ahead and turn on Wi-Fi mode, but that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on Wi-Fi pairing mode on your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.